Hello everyone, this is eyelashes from China. We professional manufacture different kind of high quality eyelashes. This here today I will introduce is our high quality 3D Fox mink lashes. The 3D Fox mink is vegan lashes. It's absolutely cruelty free. Kindly see this is our styles, and this is 018. This style is really hot sale. It's very glimmer, and this is 13. These styles also customers like them, and is from short to long, from the inside to the outside. It's very same as the lashes shape. This is some other styles. And our 3D Fox mink lashes is really good, and the lash band is very soft, is very comfortable to wear, and it can last 10 to 15 times if you wear with proper care. We have many styles, about 100 styles for your choices. For the more information, kindly check our website, www.elurlshes.com, and we'll also you can contact us. We'll send you our catalogs. Thank you.